Good afternoon, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I'm going to take a look at the QQQs, the Nasdaq-100 ETF that we follow very closely on our website at TrendLizard.com. We're going to dive right back in. Obviously, we're not starting at QQQ's inception. We're starting at the most pertinent point, which is the advance that began off the 2008 low for the QQQs. Obviously, the trend is up when it goes from 20 up to about 180 or so. So the only question is, when is this bull market going to end, and when are we going to get a much larger bear market slash long-term counter trend pullback? So as you know from the analysis we do on our site, we believe that it's very late in the bull market. It is not over at this time, but we are in the final up leg, which began in 2016. So as you can see here, it's a really nice 5-wave advance. This is the 5th and final advance, and as you dive deeper in, you see that we're kind of getting towards the final 5th of the final 5th wave advance as we dive in. So let's go ahead and do that and dive in a little bit closer. This is a look at that final leg that began in 2016. Every aspect of it is trendy. We can count out 5-wave moves all over the place. It's been a little bit rougher go in 2018, as you know. It's been back and forth all over the place with some sucker moves along the way, and it's been pretty much void of any trading opportunity during this time. So fortunately, at TrendLizard.com, we were smart enough to get out near the high in January and sit and just watch this mess from here, as boring as that's been. So if we zoom in and look at the 2018 pullback, it started out fairly sensible. We got a nice 3-wave pullback and then a reversal up and a nice 3-wave advance. Despite setting a new high, this was still part of the larger pullback. Since then, things have gotten really wonky. This down leg in March was fairly straightforward, but then we had a bounce kind of out of nowhere since it hadn't tested the low. It reversed down, and then even without testing this low, it's reversed again. So it seems to be all over the board. Pretty hard to get excited about this guy when it's doing so much back and forth movement. What's clear is that the counter trend pullback is not over yet. So it looks like it has decided on a fairly straight eastbound path, which is good because the potential is there for a much larger pullback. If I have the chart here, it could head all the way back down towards this area here. I thought I had a yellow support area drawn on there, but apparently I didn't. Despite that, the potential is there for a larger pullback. It just doesn't look like it's going to go south as much as it is going to go east. So this isn't a ton of help. We need some indication of a low before making this a buying opportunity again. Very likely what will happen is a new low will be set with a more sharper decline before it's in a position for it to resume the uptrend. So I say it's basically a waiting game until that happens. It could continue to vacillate back and forth. At some point we will get a sharper down leg, and that'll be a good sign that the 2018 pullback is finally wrapping up and giving way to the resumption of the long-term uptrend. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.